Hey, I've been so excited to post this vlog for you because the vibes of just self-care, self-love, and just friendship are like overflowing in this vlog. This road trip that I took was heavily focused on self-love, self-care, and most importantly, mental health. Which brings me to the sponsor of this video, BetterHelp. I mean, who better to sponsor this video than BetterHelp? Like, this couldn't have been more perfect. Is there something interfering with your happiness or preventing you from reaching your goals? BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your very own professional licensed therapist. I've had so many experiences where I've tried to get into therapy, but my therapist just isn't a match for me. Meeting up with someone in person to talk about things you're going through can be really difficult. I've experienced it myself where I've just had therapist horror stories, and to be able to do that entire process from the comfort of my own home makes me feel so much better. BetterHelp is not a crisis line. It's not self-help. It's professional therapy done securely online. You can start communicating within 48 hours, which is amazing because I've literally called therapists and they've been like, either we can't see you for another 3 weeks because we're so busy, or we're not taking new clients at all. So 48 hours is amazing. There's a broad range of expertise and BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network, which may not be locally available in many areas. I know a lot of you guys don't live where I live, and I want you to know that this service is available to clients worldwide. You can log into your account at any time and send a message to your therapist. You get timely and thoughtful responses. Plus, you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, so you won't ever have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room like you would with traditional therapy. Visit betterhelp.com/MyLifeAsEva. That's betterhelp.com/MyLifeAsEva. And join over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. And yeah, this vlog. Good morning. You know what? I'm gonna open this closet door. It was open and it looked kind of like off, but it also looked kind of cool. Like it looked kind of ominous. Yeah, I like it open more. The plan is to go to Washington. I don't have a plan. I don't have a plan. We're really playing this road trip by ear. We're gonna book everything the day that we get there, or like the night that we get there. Let's send it! Let's send it!
You are with yourself, the more comfortable you can be with somebody.
I agree. So I feel like I've definitely worked on myself a lot. I have a good head on my shoulders, and I would like to share that with somebody. But
yeah, if he is here, you'll meet him in the summer here.
That's it. It's just like so far.
I know, it's like summer.
Yeah, January, February, March. Those are cold months.
March
okay?
is gonna be a icy month.
If I don't have some sort of fire in me, like anything, even like a spark, I think I might be frozen for the rest of my life. Ice queen, no emotions whatsoever, and I don't know if I can do that. You know, I have a heart. It wants to come out, but
okay.
You know, the American guys just aren't doing it for me.
Yeah.
We're outsourcing.
Yeah.
$10:19. I'm making great time. I'm honestly ready to like leave right now. I don't care really what I look like. No one's gonna see in dark moonlight, and they're all probably drunk already.
Oh, for sure. I'm like, I need to get to that level.
I know. Okay, that's all the girls are gonna give tonight. What are you wearing?
I haven't gotten to that point in my life yet. I'm just like,
oh shit!
when you're from California.
My first time seeing black ice. That's fun.
Okay.
Wait, what do I do?
Where the fuck?
Where is that? Underneath where?
Underneath
Underneath
what?
what?
Okay.
Underneath here. Wait. Oh yeah, here.
Oh.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I wonder how big this tank is, because this says pour 8 ounces per gallon, but I don't think that whole ass gallon of water goes in there. There's no way, right?
Maybe, because it usually lasts for a long time.
A whole ass gallon.
There she goes.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
MyLifeAsEva aesthetic.
There's no way this is gonna fit all this water.
That's working.
Oh wait, there we go. Woo!
We got it! We did it! Y'all see that? We can see again.
Wow. Okay, is this place haunted or not? It's giving haunted, but only occasionally.
Yeah.
Like an occasional haunt. Black ice everywhere. Good thing I wore my moon boots. Holy shish kebab, this is slippery. Wow, guys, look at this. Whoop. Okay, this ledge is...
Yeah, I'm too scared. Portland, I'm here.
I wonder if that's Mount Hood. And he climbed it, and he was like, let me build a house so I could see the place I'll always want to climb.
This is such a cute date thing.
Yeah.
Like grabbing coffee and going a little 2-mile walk. Guys, welcome to our travel diaries. We start our day with windshield wiper fluid.
Hi guys, we almost died last night.
Yeah.
This whole trip is just...
Lots of, we ate some dairy. Wasn't
We
good.
should not have done that.
Yeah, I think note to self, we just don't do that anymore.
Oh, look at all these dogs.
Oh, the brown is so pretty. Oh wait, their breath.
Yeah, those guys look like hunters. They look like they take their dogs and they're like...
I'm dead.
Not worth it.
I'm like, do you want wet leggings while in the car? Yeah, I would definitely slide down.
Yeah. Sus. We're currently at Lake Sammamish. Kind of creepy, but beautiful. Okay, let's figure this out. Oh, they forgot to, I swear to, good thing I have a knife.
They plastic sealed it.
They're not really making this very camper friendly.
My fingers are too cold.
They forgot to take off the damn
turn stuff on. Hold a lit match. Oh, I opened it.
Oh.
Yay. Okay.
Ow!
You did it!
Woo! I'm a nature bitch. Oh wait, did I? No. But I'm on the right track. I can feel it. There you go. Okay, there you go.
Yay!
Hey!
We're spot on. Yay!
Okay. That's it. We did it.
Yay!
Yay! Woo! Oh, we can like scream really loud. No one will hear it.
All right.
Count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
When's the last time you felt lucky to be you?
Oh, I feel that way every day.
I know.
I'm like, I feel like there's different levels of happiness, but I feel like the more grateful you are to just like live your life and be able to be doing whatever the fuck you want, like you feel the same amount of grateful every single day. And like
Yeah.
feel so lucky.
I can't complain.
Yeah, I can't complain.
Super lucky.
We've lived a great life.
We honestly have. Like whenever planes have turbulence, I'm like,
I'm like, you know, if God wants me to go, then
Yeah.
God wants me to go.
I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I've had a pretty decent run. This is probably so pretty in the summer.
I know, like getting a kayak.
And like everyone's at the beach, like
Yeah.
everyone's at Lake Sammamish.
Hi, Duck.
This one really thinks we have food for him. I know you're hungry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm
There's just like
sorry.
no food right now.